I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress for content writing. We'll begin by navigating the intuitive WordPress dashboard, your central hub for all content creation. You'll discover how this powerful platform simplifies the entire writing and publishing process, making it accessible for everyone. We'll cover the essential tools and features that streamline your workflow, ensuring your content reaches your audience effectively and efficiently. Get ready to transform your content strategy. Next, let's dive into crafting your content. You'll learn to create new posts or pages with ease, utilizing the versatile block editor. This editor allows you to effortlessly add headings, paragraphs, and images, giving your articles a professional look. We'll explore how to embed videos and links, enriching your content and engaging your readers. Mastering these formatting tools is key to presenting your ideas clearly and attractively. Optimizing your content is crucial for reaching a wider audience. We'll explore essential SEO plugins like Yoast SEO to help your articles rank higher in search results. You'll learn to craft compelling meta descriptions, choose effective focus keywords, and add descriptive alt text to images. Additionally, we'll share practical tips to enhance readability, ensuring your content is engaging and easy for every reader to digest, boosting overall user experience. Finally, let's prepare your content for the world. We'll walk through the publishing process, including how to schedule posts for a future date and time. You'll discover the importance of categorizing and tagging your articles, making them easily discoverable for your audience. We'll also cover how to efficiently review and update existing content, keeping your information fresh and relevant. This ensures your content strategy remains dynamic and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.